Hello. Are you looking to replace your garage door? Look no further. We've got a quick guide from Advantage Garage Doors to help you navigate through the process and choose the perfect garage door to enhance your home's appearance and functionality. Don't feel overwhelmed. We're here to make this decision easier for you. Signs to consider a replacement. Look out for signs like excessive noise, malfunctioning operation, damage, corrosion, and outdated technology, indicating it's time for a replacement garage door. Next, let's talk about costs. For a standard, steel triple-layer insulated garage door with an R value of 9, a single-car garage door cost range from $1,650 to $2,050. Double-car garage door cost starts at $2,400 and goes up to $3,000. These prices include the supply and installation of a new garage door, as well as the removal and disposal of your old one. Prices vary based on size, materials, and design. Also, remember that choosing a garage door with windows will add a touch of charm, but it will increase the overall cost. Moving on to materials and designs. In Alberta, triple-layer steel insulated garage doors are a preferred choice among homeowners. They offer a great combination of durability and cost efficiency while providing effective insulation for year-round comfort. Pick a style that suits your home, such as traditional, carriage house, contemporary, or custom designs. If you're looking for peace of mind, it may be a great idea to replace your garage door and opener at the same time. This ensures optimal compatibility and performance. Compare between chain drive, belt drive, and wall mount openers, considering cost, noise, and reliability to make your choice. Lastly, trust the experts at Advantage Garage Doors for a safe and reliable installation. With thousands of doors installed and backed by a 3-year labor warranty, we offer expert advice to help you select the perfect door for your home. With these tips, you're ready to upgrade your garage door, boosting curb appeal, energy efficiency, and security. Want to learn more? Feel free to read our complete guide on selecting and buying a new garage door in Calgary. Please don't hesitate to contact us for any questions or to set up your free in-house estimate. You can simply call us or fill out the contact form on the website. Good luck on your home improvement journey.